small dot. The nanoparticle is separated from the electrodes by vacuum or insulating layer. The gate voltage V of G is used to control the charge on the gate dot capacitor C of G. That is called as a simple block diagram of single electron transistor or single electron tunneling. So this is the drain in which the voltage should be a grounded, and similarly the drain should be a given to island that is called as quantum dot. This is the area in which the quantum dot, so in which the gate should be a is connected to voltmeter, that is that it should be a grounded. So similarly the quantum dot should be uh, go to source in which the gate capacitor in between the gate and the quantum dot, the having the gate capacitor. Similarly the quantum dot will give the tunnel junction that is called as a source, and in which the W1 and W2 should be a grounded. Similarly, operation of the set. How does set work? The tunnel junction consists of two pieces of metal separated by a very thin 1 nanometer insulator approximately. The only way to tunnel is through the insulator. So this is a simple diagram of uh, set in which the operation should be a changes. So similarly, the source, island, and the drain should be connected to one voltmeter in which the capacitor should be a gate. So in which the arrow mark, this arrow mark shows the operated from the set. It should goes to source from drain to source. So another important topic from the set is Coulomb blockage. So what is the Coulomb blockage? The conductor dimension and mean free path of the electron discrete electronic configuration allows one electron to tunnel as a specific condition. So similarly, the this diagram shows the normal the block diagram of set in which we when we started to increase from the zero, no current can flow between the electrode until the current starts to flow through the nanoparticle only when V is such as E pi of less than EC. So this is the Coulomb blockage in which the conductor should passes through the mean path of an electron, so in which the one electron to tunnel to specific condition. So similarly, the source and the island should be a capture in between the capacitor. So in between the capacitor, that is called as a V of G, in which the drain voltage should be a V of SD. So in which the Coulomb blockage of the staircase. So this diagram shows the diagram shows when one electron overcomes the charging energy and tunnels into the quantum system, it blocks the tunneling of a second one, since it would charge additionally the quantum system by an amount E square by 2c, that is the effect of one electron tunnels at a time. So similarly, the block diagram, the curve of the no blockage and blockade region should be a same in the set effect. So similarly, the second diagram shows the two barrier, two tunnel, in which the one it shows the downwards, another shows the straight line from the staircase. So similarly, the third diagram that is called as x-axis and y-axis. The x-axis belongs to voltage and y-axis belongs to I. So in which the Coulomb gap, the Coulomb staircase should be a plus 3e. So in which E by R square, R2 and C2, the Coulomb staircase should be increases from plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So plus 1, the second staircase is plus 2, and the third staircase is plus 3. So similarly, the condition for Coulomb blockage, the thermal kinetic energy of an electron must be less than the Coulomb repulsion energy, which will lead to reduction in current leading to blockage. So, the amount of current E square by 2C is less than K by T. So the bias voltage must be a lower than the elementary charge divided by a self capacitance of the island. So similarly, the V bias is greater than E by Capital C, the tunneling resistance R of R derived from the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. R of R is less than h by 2 pi e square. This is the equation from Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So it will take from the condition for blockage, Coulomb blockage. So do why do we use to set the insulating state from the staircase that is called as plus one? So conducting the state of single electrons and transistor, it consumes less power of the operation. The Coulomb blockage effect and an alternative operating principle for nanoscale device, the reduce circuit power dissipation, so raising the possibility of even higher level of circuit integration. So this is, we have to use the in a set uses in which the insulating state to conducting state. So in which the different types of uh, probability of Coulomb blockage effect should be a possible. So similarly, this is the application of set. So number one, that is called as a quantum number quantum computer. That is 1,000 times faster. Then another example is high sensitivity electrometer. Number third one is single electron memory. So number four, single electron logic system. Number four is carbon nanotube single electron transistor. So from that, we have to conclude that with all the exciting properties of a single electron device, the phase of large scale integration can continue. So another one is, only one thing is certain: if the phase of the mini minimization continues unabated, the quantum properties of an electron will become crucial in determining the design of electronic device before the end of next decade. Researcher may, researchers may somebody, someday assemble this transistor into molecular version of silicon chip, but they are still formidable hurdles to cross. Set, sets could be used for memory device, but even the latest sets suffer from the offset charges, which means that the gate voltage needed to achieve maximum current varies randomly from the device to device. Such fluctuation make it impossible to build complete circuit. From that, the the application of nanomaterial have to seen in the set property, what is the use, what is how it's work, from its application. From that we have to see the different set position in the Coulomb blockage. So from that I have to stop. Thank you.